In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see chat when presenting in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to open the Microsoft Teams application on your desktop or your Android device. Microsoft Teams is a powerful tool for virtual meetings and presentations, so make sure it's up and running smoothly. Once you have the app open, click on the video icon. This will bring up the meeting options like a small window that allows you to prepare your session effectively. It's essential to have all your options in check before diving into your presentation. Next, you'll see the Start Meeting button. Click this to initiate your presentation, which will also allow participants to join in. This is an important step as you want to ensure everyone is gathered before you begin. After you've started the meeting, look for the People icon on the meeting toolbar. Clicking this will give you a view of all the participants in your meeting. This is crucial because it helps you keep track of who's in the session and helps facilitate a more interactive presentation. As you scan through the list of participants, you may notice small hand icons next to some names. This indicates who in the audience wants to speak or has questions. By identifying these individuals early on, you can manage the conversation more effectively and ensure that everyone has a chance to participate. Now let's talk about the chat feature. Click on the chat icon to open the conversation window. This allows you to see real-time feedback from your audience, a vital component of engaging presentations. Participants can type their comments or questions here, and it's important to keep an eye on this window throughout your session. Make it a point to address any questions or comments promptly as they come up. This interaction keeps your audience engaged and encourages further discussion. Plus, it shows that you value their input, which can help make your presentation feel more collaborative. And that's it. You're now able to see the chat while presenting in Microsoft Teams, making your sessions more dynamic and interactive. Remember to practice navigating these features before your actual presentation to ensure that everything goes smoothly. Thank you for watching. If you found value in today's video, I encourage you to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Happy presenting!